We're doing it again, Phoenix. We're up at a silly time of the morning to go a silly distance up the road to go back to Bartons. Yes, that is right. We are heading back to Bartons. Yes, I have had a haircut. And because there's a load of other collectors going, it's time to drop off some machines that I'm either getting rid of that are done or just getting rid of. So, without any further ado, it's not even horrible and cold outside. The sun is rising, the wind is blowing. It's time to get this stuff in the car, say goodbye to the birdo and hit the road. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Yes, we are back at Bartons. We've all packed our cars full. We're still going through stuff, and we seem to be going a lot more granular than we did last time. Stuff is out. Mr. James is rummaging right through. Yeah, there's some really cool stuff been found. So not a lot has changed since the last time we came. We're just clearing out more, really. Stuff has been rummaged through a lot more than before, as you can see. We've had a lot of stuff out, and yeah, lots of stuff being taken, which is really good. So I thought we'd cobble together some short form of video and say goodbye to Bartons again. Yeah, down there changed a lot. I think the bags have been rooted through a lot more, hopefully, and people have got what they want. These are all still being gone through now. Let's see what Stephen's going to find in this random bag of stuff.
Hoover senior parts.
Yeah.
It's just whether they're going to use them or not.
Because say that's from the Cream 80s one, isn't it? Yeah. My one's quite nice on mine, so
I don't know.
Random parts, stuff.
Yeah, like Hooverette and
is this your box? Is it?
Like that. Yeah, we found loads of these brand new 1334 flanges.
This is the problem. There's all this stuff that is so useful. Look, like nice Bakelite hood, probably brand new.
Yeah, the Hoover Turbo Power soft bag. Handle. They do break sometimes, the early ones. So.
Somebody asked me for some junior flat handles, actually. They're down there, aren't they?
And she's always useful.
Awesome, yeah.
Various bits and pieces.
Has all of this stuff been rummaged through yet?
Well, we've gone through it, but not 100% decided what we're having and so on. So.
I'll wait for that to happen first. Yeah, it's all going down very nicely indeed. I've had some of the back stuff. We've gone through that. We're now just picking through the remains. January 79. We are now really going granular, folks. We're going to go through all of these, but actually see what the heck it is. What's in there? What's it for? Well, we should go through the service manuals. Go and read all of the service manuals and work out what it's from. Yeah, I don't know what it is. They're old enough to be interesting, though. I think there's a load of floor polisher parts in those. There's a whole box of armatures, so I can't even get this out. There we go. It's got a cooling fan on it. Is that turbo power?
No.
Who knows? This is the problem. Coil. There's a load of senior coils in the box. Maybe that's going to be the more fun box to go through. Again, these are all going to be the same, whatever they are. Is it? You wouldn't have guessed. I think this one might be a Hoover as well. Yeah, this would be the same thing, but I'm not going to get them out. Yeah, you probably got all the machines that fit these. You're the person with the rare vintage ones. I'd have no use for any of this stuff. If I've ever seen it when the coil's gone, somebody else can buy the coil and I'll fit it. Yeah, all of the boxes are getting empty. I still don't know if I want this CRT. Ooh. We might have... Oh, do we go for this? Come on, my techno people. Oh, we might have to. Oh, there's more boxes and stuff down here. What are they from? That's floor polish, isn't it?
Yeah, handle bale.
Yeah. Oh, see, I'd like those reproduced, the Bulldog stickers, but it's finding somebody. Is it? Oh, what have I got? Oh, Akinova.
Don't get too excited.
Thank you. I want to put like RC car battery in it because it's only like 7 volts, and I think and an RC car battery, I can strip out all the crap that's in it, which is what doesn't work on mine, like battery contacts. Yeah, that's fine. Oh. Yeah, that's what was dead on mine. Is why I got the Makita charger and those batteries because they didn't slot in.
Oh, fair dues.
Oh, wicked, thank you. Oh, what? That's...
Ranger.
Yes, and I've got one of those in the loft that doesn't have any cord reels. Yeah, cord hooks from Kirsten. These must be brand new handle tops. They are, that's a brand new one. Oh, give that a home. It's all coming out. Oh, yay. Oh, the bottom one now, though. As well, oh, there's a brand new one there. We'll tidy up in a minute. If anybody knows what the heck these are off, please do let us know. Again, I've not found any bottom ones unless they're in a box, which is entirely possible.
No, they're all tops.
Do you reckon we'll find a U1012 handle? Or would we know how to tell the difference?
That's it.
Yeah, but is it? Probably is. We just find
Yeah, it is, because it's got the higher cord hook. Back hook.
Again, I know a man who could do with a couple of those. Me as well. Right, rummage time. Oh, I don't think we're supposed to be in there. So we'll shut that up. Ah, we need a box. Yeah, look, folks, we just found the motor room. Full of motors for everything there could possibly be. A nice vintage heater for the vintage heater fans. And then back up there is upstairs. Out here, I think we've been in before, yes. Oh, well, yeah, there's loads of boxes here, that works. Yeah, I'll have a couple of sort of middle-aged ones. Look, we found a box of plugs. Oh, look, there's a British Telecom plug. What's going to be suitable for vintage vacuums, I wonder. Getting a lot emptier the more we go. These I forgot to show last time. You know, we're always scared of the little Hoover Senior or Hoover Constellation ones going. Imagine that going bang on you. Look at that. Look. Ancient. Loads of them. UK made, that's got to be old. And yeah, everybody has their piles of stuff. I have no more room in the car, even if I wanted anything, quite frankly. I hope you're all ready for a very boring video where we go through everything we bought. No room for you, sadly. Everybody's bringing stuff down. Oh. Seabos that are probably not going to be saved, sadly. Oh, there's the Vorwerk. It's on eBay. May not be for much longer. And yeah, I think we've been through everything.
Is that right? I think they've all got bypass back. They're all B2s and B3s. Right. Yeah, B3s. Nice. Also, I've got the small bucket. Yeah. But the one I've got is missing spare power bits inside. Right. And that one's got it, so. Okay, and you've got spare head as well. Yeah, exactly.
And there we go. We're home. It was a bit of a tricky video to film because you've seen everything. Nothing had really changed. We did some more filming because we were there. The big thing is all of this. I mean, my car is packed to the gunnels with both flipping projects to do for people and stuff. So I'm going to go and have a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, and then we might get some of this inside and see what we've not want to see what we got in this video. We'll get it inside in this video, and then there might be a long and boring one coming up where we go through it. Right, let's get this out of the car into the house. Yeah, that is the car emptied. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Although we must just do a little bit of admin. Not all of this is from Bartons. There are other collectors there, and we have jobs. So at some point we need to have a video going through these, removing the suppressors, and probably giving them a refurb. Oh, what else have we got? That's from Bartons. This massive box here is actually from, oh my goodness, Mr. James. We have a before video to go on this. Ooh, there's a single pedal pneumatic floor tool there. Yeah, Mr. James has us a project in here, so that's off to the side. This is the motor donor for the project in there, so there's a little bit of a sneak peek of what that is. Oh my goodness, there's so much. This belongs to the same person as a celebrity, and this is a used celebrity motor, so that can come over here out of the way. These two are Mr. James's. We need to see what the heck's wrong with them, and I think they just need taking apart, washing and putting back together, so they can go over there. And finally, this is actually mine. We need to do a before video of it. I swapped my Hoover turbo light for this beautiful AEG electronic 406, the wands of which I think are in there somewhere, certainly the bag with the hose and the floor tool is here. I remember the ones falling out in the car, so we'll find those in the next video when we go through all of this stuff. So there we go, I have my wall of Bartons ready to go. Stay tuned reasonably quickly because we got to go through this to see what there is. There's no other way. I don't know. We just grabbed entire boxes. This was physically all I could fit in the car. So, as a few of you have asked for, there will be an excruciatingly long video coming up soon where we just open up every box, see what the heck there is, and then I can put most of it up for sale because, yeah, a lot of this stuff I didn't get to keep. This is purely to pass on and help out. So, yeah, stay tuned for the Bartons haul part 2 because we've already done a part 1 from the first haul, and I and all of these ProShem boxes will see you soon. Bye bye.